Welcome to our channel. How to find the Wi-Fi password on your Virgin Media Hub 5. Check the sticker. This sounds dumb, but most people forget. Flip the hub around. On the bottom or back, there's a white sticker. You'll see SSID and Wi-Fi key. That's your network name and password. Use the Virgin Media Connect app. If you've got the app, open it. Go into Wi-Fi settings, and it'll either show you or let you share the password. Honestly, this is the easiest digital way if you've already got the app set up. Log into the hub settings. Fire up a browser. Type 192.168.0.1. That's the Virgin router login page. Use the admin password on the hub sticker. Once you're in, head to Wireless or Wi-Fi settings, and the password should be sitting there. Check on a Windows laptop. If your laptop is already connected, right-click the Wi-Fi icon, right-pointing arrow, network and internet settings, right-pointing arrow, change adapter options, right-pointing arrow, right-click your Wi-Fi, right-pointing arrow, status, right-pointing arrow, wireless properties, right-pointing arrow, security, right-pointing arrow, show characters. Boom, password revealed. On a Mac, open Keychain Access. Search for your Wi-Fi network name. Double-click, tick, show password. It'll ask for your Mac login. Put that in, and there's your Wi-Fi key. On Android phones, go to Settings, right-pointing arrow, Network and Internet, right-pointing arrow, Wi-Fi, right-pointing arrow, Saved Networks. Pick your Virgin Wi-Fi, hit Share. It'll either show the password or a QR code you can scan. On iPhone, bit trickier. If you're on iOS 16 or above, go to Wi-Fi settings, tap the I next to your Virgin network, and you'll see the password with a little hidden dots icon. Tap it, Face ID unlocks it. Done. Reset if all else fails. If none of that works and you can't find the password, the last resort is a reset. Hold the pinhole button at the back of the Hub 5 for 30 seconds. That wipes it and restores the default Wi-Fi password from the sticker. Call Virgin Media. Yeah, I know, nobody loves calling support. But if the hub's glitching or not showing the details, they can push settings remotely or replace the unit. Save it properly this time. Once you've got the password, don't lose it again. Write it down, stick it in a password manager, or set up a guest Wi-Fi network for friends so you're not handing out your main key every time. Thank you for watching.